Hey guys, what's up? It's Jackie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, might as well click the like button too. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Boxy Charm unboxing slash first impressions video. If you're not familiar with Boxy Charm is a makeup subscription, and they send you full-size products in the mail every single month. It's literally $100 worth of products for only $20. So I blame my credit card bills and my ridiculously large makeup collection on Boxy Charm, but it is absolutely worth it. So I'm going to be going through each and every product, testing them out, and maybe at the end of this video, you'll be like, Boxy Charm, I need her. So I'm going to go ahead and link my referral code down below. So stay tuned to see what came in this month's Boxy Charm. So let us start with the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is retailed at $35. The box is only $20, so we already saved $15. It also comes with this Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, which retails at $32. So $60, we only paid $20. We've already saved $40. Next, we have our cleansing wipes, which are retailed at $17. I'm not going to do the math, people. You get the idea. Next, we have the Luxie brushes, which are it's a 3-piece brush set retailed at $30. And we only paid $20 for this box. Like, if you're not on Boxy Charm right now, typing in my referral code, what are you doing with your life, girl? And last but not least, our Luna by Luna lip gloss is retailed at $18. So yeah, you guys do the math. Lot of like $100 worth of products for only $20. So like I said before, I'm gonna put my referral code down below and get on it, girlfriend. Boxy Charm, it's the way to go. So the first product we're going to be testing out from this month's Boxy Charm is going to be this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says, defined by nature and led by science. Feed the skin with this versatile super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on for about 10 minutes, and hopefully afterwards I look a little brighter, a little prettier. We'll have to find out and see. This applicator, by the way, did not come in the Boxy Charm box, unfortunately. I got this at Walmart, I think. So right off the bat, I like the smell. It smells really like, I don't want to say earthy, but it smells clean. It smells really clean, and it's really like creamy and smooth, and it doesn't burn like other face masks burn sometimes. Like other face masks I've tried in the past have burnt my face, and I just want to let you guys know one thing. If any product in your skincare routine is burning, you need to take it off immediately, because it has some chemicals in there that your skin is just not used to, or your skin is just, you know, sensitive to. So whatever your skincare may be, if any one of your steps burn, you should remove it from your skincare. Your skincare routine should not burn you at all. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for 10 minutes and then get back to you guys and see if I'm at least a little bit prettier. So now we wait. So the mask is all off now. I'm just gonna like let my face dry so I could really get a feel, and wow, I don't know if it's the placebo effect, but I'm feeling pretty damn pretty right now. It really did brighten my face. I feel like my face is a little clearer. I really like this mask. Alright, now let's move on to our next product. So our next product, or products, are a pack of Luxie brushes. If you watch any of my other videos, you know that I have a plethora of Luxie brushes. And this month's Boxy Charm, they sent us this, I don't know how to pronounce that. There's a pronunciation there at the bottom, but I just don't want to embarrass myself. So yeah, we got 3 Luxie brushes in this month's Boxy Charm. One is a flat foundation brush. As you can see, I've already messed with it a little bit. This one is a eyeshadow blending brush. It's a big blending brush. It's actually called large eye blending. And this one is a precision crease brush. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the foundation brush. So we're going to do our foundation first today. And before I apply any kind of foundation, I got to prep and prime my face properly. Y'all already know. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using the No Porelem Prime Essence by Touch in Soul. The reason that I'm showing you guys this product is because I got this product in last month's Boxy Charm. Now, y'all know that I usually do use a stick foundation, but I figured with this brush, that's not going to blend out very well. So I went ahead and grabbed a liquid foundation. So let's go ahead and see how the brush applies this foundation. I mean, it looks good on camera, but I don't know how I feel about it. I really don't like using brushes for foundation. I like beauty blenders better. I think maybe this will be like easier if I just like I really don't like using liquid foundations. I don't like to cake my makeup. That took way longer than it should have. It's not working with me right now. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to take my beauty blender and help a sister out because this is not cutting it. So yeah, I'm not really a fan of the brush. It did need some help, you know, my beauty blender needed to help blend it out, but yeah, it just depends what your preference is. I would probably use this brush for applying face masks, and I don't see me using this brush in the future. Now, before I do any more products, I'm going to go ahead and finish my full face routine just so that when we try on the other products, we can get the glam in full effect. So I'll be right back. Okay, so our next product is an eyeshadow palette by London. It's called the Butter Palette. Oh, it's called the Butter Palette, and it is a natural goddess theme. It comes with 6 really pretty colors, perfect for summertime. And it also comes with a mirror. And I love when eyeshadow palettes come with mirrors because it's just so more convenient. You can't really test out an eyeshadow just by swatching it with your finger because we don't apply eyeshadow with our fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the brushes that came in this month's box. I think I'm going to go for like a simple, maybe 2, maybe 3 shade look. We'll see. So I went ahead and started off by going in with Femme Fatale, or Femme Fatale, or Femme Fatal. It's not fatal, there's an E at the end, whatever. And I'm using the large blending brush. And this brush is another really good brush for beginners because it's really big, so it covers a lot of space and it blends out pretty well with like really minimal effort. Yeah, I really like it. It's pretty cute. So like I said, this brush is a really good brush. I'm really liking it, how it's blending. The eyeshadow is pretty nice too. It blends pretty well. The only thing is if you want it to be really pigmented, you're going to have to build the color up a couple of times, but it's no big deal. It's pretty much like any color palette, any palette with bright colors on it. But so far, I am loving this shade of blue. I don't think any of my 50 palettes at home have a blue this color. If you're wondering who's huffing and puffing like they're annoyed, it's my boyfriend over here. He hasn't eaten today. Oh. So that is Femme Fatale, or Femme Fatal, but I don't know. You guys can leave in the comments below how the heck you pronounce this, Fatale. I'm a biology major, not an English major, so don't judge. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use that precision crease brush, which is this brush. It is perfect, or it looks perfect for a cut crease. So I want the shimmers to really, really stand out and really, you know, have their moment of shine. So I'm going to do a cut crease with a really, really light concealer, so it gives the pigment an extra pop. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, and then I'll be right back. I noticed that the palette doesn't really have like a base shade for you to go in and set, you know, your cut crease if you use concealer, etc. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it wet like that. For the shimmer, I'm going to go in with Star, and I'm going to use the same brush I used to cut the crease, which was the Precision Crease brush, obviously. And I'm just going to wipe off the concealer and dry it off a little bit. And just to give the shimmer like an extra, you know, like extra little, I'm going to go ahead and spritz it with some setting powder. And let's see how she performs. It's not really like as bright as I thought it would be. If I do a cut crease, I like the shimmer shade to be really, really, really bright. This one's not that bright. I mean, it's still shimmery. It's a pretty color, but I'm just not digging it. So I went ahead and blended the shimmer with the shade Temptress and with the blue shade once again. I kind of like it a little more now, so now let's go ahead and do the other side. It's not too bad now. At first I wasn't really feeling it, but you can't tell till it's all done. And then with the lashes and liner, it should look even better. So I don't know why I was tripping. Okay, so here we are with some lashes on. Trying to show you the full look. I really am impressed with the palette. I didn't think I was going to be able to come up with anything cute. I thought I was just going to have to do like a basic, you know, shimmer shade and then a transition shade, and that's it. But I ended up using 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6 shades on a 6-shade color palette. So that's pretty good, pretty impressive. We still have 2 more products, one of which is a lip gloss. It's Luna by Luna, that's the name, and it's in the shade Mars. This is a cute little component, and normally I'll do like a matte lip before I put on lip gloss and lip liner, of course, but for the sake of this video, I figured you guys would want to see how these products work on their own, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it with no lip liner, no base, and I already like it a lot. It's so cute. It looks like it has like a pinkish, nudish tint to it. It smells really good. It's not really thick, so when I apply it, I don't feel like my lips are like overly sticky, or like you could see the gloss like stick to each other as my lips move. As my lips move or as I open my mouth, you can't see any of that like you can see when you're using like a thicker lip gloss. So I really do like this lip gloss. Is it Jackie Star approved? Absolutely. Okay, so as y'all already know, the final product is a makeup cleansing wipe, and it would not be a full, true Boxy Charm review if I did not test them out. Even though I just did my makeup for the past hour and a half, I'm going to do it for you guys. So we're going to test out the Cleansing Spa Water Makeup Cleansing Wipes by Koh Gen Do. It says that they contain natural herbs, natural spa water, they're oil-free and mildly acidic, which is good for people with sensitive skin. I know that I can't use all types of makeup wipes. If you're wondering why I look a little apprehensive right now, it's because I really don't want to wash away a whole hour's worth of makeup, but it's okay. Do it for the gram. Okay, so just let me pop off these lashes right quick. And yeah, I'm gonna start with half of my face and we'll see how it... That's only one swipe. See what happens if I really go in. Wow, she's looking uglier already. So now I'm going to use the back side to do the other half of my face. So this is just with one makeup wipe. I did my whole face. These makeup wipes are pretty good. My face feels fresh. It doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel dry. I know that a lot of the times when I use new makeup wipes, my face will get like really dry afterwards, and it'll feel like, oh, give me some lotion, some moisturizer or something. But my face feels pretty moisturized right now. It feels pretty clean. It doesn't feel too tight. So yeah, that was the last and final product. And just like that, we're back to where we started. If you guys enjoyed today's BoxyCharm unboxing video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're there. Don't forget to share with a friend. Leave a comment on what your favorite product was, what products you didn't really like, what videos you'd like to see in the future, or just, say what's up. So don't forget to also follow me on my social media handles. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter at ASAP_JACKKKK 4Ks. Snapchat is Jackie Robles, JACKIEROBBLAZE, all one word, Jackie Robles. Until next time, guys, adios.